A few days ago, Telegram announced in an official statement that the Telegram monetization system has been activated. That is, after this, you can make money from Telegram like YouTube. Stay with me. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss valuable training. To generate income from Telegram video, you can do different ways. Below are some common ways to make money from this platform. Telegram has written that sharing revenue with channel owners. Today, we're introducing one of the most generous reward systems in the history of social media. Telegram channel owners can now receive 50% of the revenue from ads displayed in their channels. Rewards for creators. Telegram users generate over 1 trillion views in channels every month. Starting today, owners of public channels with at least 1,000 subscribers can be rewarded with 50% of the revenue from ads displayed in their channels. Now, how does Telegram pay your income? More explanation about paying money for you. Channel owners can withdraw their rewards with no fees or reinvest them into Telegram ads, collectible usernames, or premium giveaways. Go to channel settings, statistics, monetization to see your channel's monetization stats. Withdrawals for channel owners will become available in the coming weeks on Fragment TON-based ads. To make this possible, we're introducing a new type of ads which users can purchase with TON coins, a cryptocurrency powered by the TON blockchain. We chose the TON blockchain because it has low fees, high transaction speeds, and holds a record for the number of transactions it can process per second. Anyone can now promote their bot or channel with budgets as low as a handful of TON coins. When creating a Telegram ad, you choose the exact channels where you'd like it to appear, so you have full control over their context. Why Telegram ads are special. Telegram ads are very different from ads on other apps. They are shown only in large public channels. They never appear in your chats, chat list, or other interfaces. Telegram ads are not based on user data. They depend only on the channel in which you see them, and they directly benefit channel owners. More explanation about Telegram's income generation system. More explanations about how Telegram's income generation system works and what facilities it provides for users can better inform the audience. Comparison with other platforms. Comparing this system with other similar platforms like YouTube and Instagram will help readers to have a better understanding of the features and benefits of this system. 1. Advertisements. One of the main ways to make money from Telegram video is to provide advertisements for users. You can partner with companies and brands to advertise their products and services in your videos. 2. Content sharing. If you make your content attractive and distinctive, you can encourage people to share and pay for access to that content. 3. Selling products and services. If you are a seller or have products and services that you can introduce through video, you can use this way to increase your sales. 4. Using a subscription system. You can create a subscription system to access certain video content and charge users to subscribe to this subscription. 5. Producing video content for others. If you have the ability to produce video content, you can work as a consultant or content producing studio for others and earn money. Before doing any activity, it is important to carefully analyze your market and audience and choose a suitable strategy to earn money. Also, you should pay attention to the laws and regulations regarding online advertising and business in your country.